Yes, hello. Well, I'm here in my Firefox browser where I opened the Redcliffe Online webpage. It logs in automatically in my account with the name AVLN. And then I go to the library, electronic resources, and then I click EBSCO ebooks and it opens the EBSCO webpage. Only it automatically goes to my login, my EBSCO login from that I got from the University of Gloucestershire, which is a Microsoft account that they gave us. There it is. It's this one, Microsoft account with an S number S1812274. And that one is automatically logged in here because I can know that because in the ebooks, when I, for example, search for a book by an author called Wright with a it doesn't find anything that suits me because I have in the past used, for instance, here, Stott and Wright is a book that I have been using in EBSCO of Redcliffe, and it's there. They have the book, but this book is not available to me in this one because it only has something about supply chains and other things that I'm not interested in. So this is the University of Gloucestershire EBSCO account. Okay, so what I did is I tried this in my Chrome browser. I log in the Redcliffe Online webpage, and then I'm going to the library and to the electronic resources, where I click the link, and this happens like this. I click the link and it says authentication problem, and I don't have any other login that I can use. Institutional login, yeah, I tried logging in with, for instance, the login. Oh, it gives an error now. With the login we have from the website, the Redcliffe website, but that one doesn't really let me in. And so OpenEthins, Redcliffe doesn't really use OpenEthins anymore, so I don't know how to get in the page anymore. I don't know what happened this week. It logged off out of the Gloucestershire University or in login, and then yeah, it didn't open anything. It gave the same error as it does in Chrome. In Firefox it did give the same, but then I logged into the Gloucestershire University login again, and now it gives